Hi, I'm Adam. I am part of the Dial 9 support team, and today we're going to be unboxing and taking our first look at the brand new Polycom VVX 450. This is an IP phone with 12 SIP accounts, a large colour screen and a number of other useful features. So we will get to our unboxing straight away. So within the box we have quite a simple set of items. So the first thing we have is our handset, and then we have a headset, we have a very simple stand and a network cable and our curly cord, and then finally just some very simple bit of paperwork just to show how to get everything connected up. Now this phone has been already set up via our Dial 9 provisioning service, which means that it simply needs to be connected up to your network, and then it will automatically connect to your Dial 9 extension, and then you can start using it straight away. So with that in mind, we're going to get our phone connected up to our network. We can do that without a power supply because it has PoE built in. The network port can be found on the far left-hand side of the device. So we connect that up and the phone will start its boot process immediately. And then in the meantime, we'll be able to get our curly cord connected up to the handset, and then the mating half quite simply connects on the rear of the phone on the opposite side of the network cable, and then that connects that up. And then finally we have our stand, which we will connect up on the back of the phone. It's a very nice, simple stand to connect. I have found in the past that some phones, when you're sort of setting them up quickly, they can be a little bit of a pain, but this is quite a nice, simple one to connect up, and we don't need our network cable because we've already got that on. So the phone is currently booting, and I can immediately see it has a very large, clear colour screen. The text is high resolution, it's very easy to read. So that means that when we're receiving calls on the device, we'll be able to see very easily who is calling, their caller ID, and it also has a large number of buttons on the left and the right. These are all programmable soft keys, so they can be used for a variety of different things like quick dials for numbers you call regularly, extension, busy lamp field, so looking to see if another colleague is busy, you can dial them directly as well. And then there's 4 programmable keys below, which will have a number of useful built-in functions as well. And I can now pick up the phone and make a call because it has already set up, provisioned, and is ready to go. And it has a very nice, clear audio, and we will also be doing some more testing with this device as well upcoming, because we have only just received it from Polycom along with another phone which we're going to be testing. So we'll be doing a review of this in the sort of coming weeks. So I'll probably get this connected up as my daily phone. And as always, you'll be able to go to our website, dial9.co.uk/TV, where you can then have a look at this video along with any others that we have on there. And you can subscribe and leave a comment if there's anything else you'd like to see.